To begin a triple treble, you need to start by chaining up a certain number. So it's taller than double treble, which was chaining of 5. Therefore this has to be a chain 6 to begin, and that's your first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's your first triple treble right there. You're gonna come to your next stitch, but you're going to wrap yarning over 4 times. So just once, twice, 3 times, and 4, and then go into the next stitch. Okay, pull through. Now you have all these loops left on the hook here, just like you see. So you're gonna wrap and pull through 2, and then keep wrapping and pulling through 2 all the way back to the top. And then you end up with a really kind of a loose stitch list like you see. So wrapping 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, going into the next stitch, pull through, and then pull through 2's all the way back to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you want to count the number of times you have to go. So wrapping total 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next stitch, pull through, and keep on doing that all the way across. So it takes a lot longer to do one stitch, but the height that you can get from a triple treble is quite astounding. So you can actually pound off a lot of blankets with this particular stitch pretty quickly. You want to treat the ending like it was the double crochet as well as all the rest of the stitches, like the treble and the double treble that you want to go into the turning chain. Eventually what's gonna happen is that you're going to be able to wrap your hook in a way that it's not gonna be cumbersome, because it's a lot of wrapping. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've rarely seen this stitch used, but when it is used, it's good to know this information. And then the last one is in the turning chain. So wrap 4 times, and then just go right into the chain itself, never to a gap, because then that'll make it look off. And going right into the chain itself, pulling through 2's all the way back to the top. So once you're satisfied with that, you just turn your work and begin again. And remember, you have to chain 6 to begin, and then you do your triple trebles all the way across, so you can see the significant height difference. That's the triple treble today.